Hey guys, today we will understand how to create animation in Figma. The first thing is take a frame. Take an iPhone or let's take MacBook. Let's zoom out, keep it here. Let's create a rectangle. Give rectangle 500. I'm giving it randomly, no specified. Put it in the center. Let's create 3 lines. Let's increase. Let's duplicate. Let's duplicate again. Put all of them in center. Okay. Let's give it some cute colors. Let's round the corners. Okay, so this is done. Now let's group all of this in one. Now let's duplicate it. Let's zoom out, zoom in. Now let's edit this one. Let's move it to the center till the time it disappears. Okay, it's gone. Let's do it this one. Control Shift 3 times. Shift 3 times. Let's make it to the center. This to center. Let's change the color. Let's make it circle. Let's change the color now. Let's give it a cute color. Okay, now let's create interactions. This to this. On click, navigate to smart animations, bouncy, 1500 seconds. Ta-da, it's created. Now let's see. It's done. Now why it's not going back? Let's give the interaction from this to this, same. Now let's see. It's back.